Everyone says you need ads or a massive following to make money online. I used neither and still got paid. I made $5,000 selling digital products with under 3,000 followers and zero ad spend. And I'm not a guru, I'm just the guy who studied. I just ran a simple system that works for a solo creator. So in this video I'll show you exact 3 steps: offer, tiny funnel, and distribution, including the one step most beginners skip, so you can copy it today and start making sales. Alright, step number 1 is not building a product, it's finding an idea worth testing. Most beginners make the mistake of spending weeks or even months building something big, like a full online course or 100-page ebook, before they know if anyone actually wants it. And that's how you end up frustrated with zero sales and wasted months, only to watch the product flop on launch day. Instead, flip it. You sell before you build. And here's how it works. Start with problems and not passions. Don't ask yourself, what do I feel like selling? Instead, ask, what's a problem people keep asking me about that I can solve quickly? For example, in fitness niche, a lot of beginners want to lose fat, but they're overwhelmed with what to eat. Instead of building $200 nutrition course, you create a tiny product, a 7-day fat loss meal plan, pack it on a simple PDF and price it at $9. You can create a landing page with a headline, how to lose up to 5 pounds in a week without starving and without skipping your favorite pizza on weekends. Get instant access to the 7-day meal plan I use with my clients. Or the second example, fitness for busy people. Problem, no time for workouts. Tiny product, 10-minute daily workout challenge for $7. And the headline for your landing page could be, too busy for the gym? Do these 10 minutes routines for 30 days and finally get results without breaking your schedule. Or the next example in fitness for beginner lifters. Which problem, don't know what workouts to do at the gym? Tiny product, 4-week dumbbell only workout plan for $19. The headline for the landing page, if you're overwhelmed by machines at the gym, use this simple 4-week dumbbell plan you can follow at home or in the gym. See the pattern: one clear problem, one simple solution, and one low ticket product. Now here's the important part. Validate before you build. You don't need to create the full PDF or record workouts upfront. All you need is a landing page with a headline, a short description, and a buy button. Tools like ConvertKit, Gumroad, or MailerLite make this easy. Even before that, you can do a quick micro test. If you have an audience on Instagram, post an Instagram story and ask, would you pay $9 for a fat loss plan? Yes or no? Or tweet the idea and see if people DM you. Or make a short video around this topic, and if it gets views, this problem definitely needs to be solved. And if nobody responds, cool, you just save weeks of work. If even a handful of people say yes or buy, you've got a proof of demand. And that's when you go and start building it. And here's the mindset shift you need. No sales, it's not a failure. It's free market research. It means you pivot fast instead of wasting time. And that's exactly how I was able to make $5,000 without spending on ads or big audience, by testing ideas quickly and only building once I had real buyers and real intentions, so aka demand. And once you've got validation, then it's time for step number 2, setting up the tiny funnel that actually captures those sales. And most beginners completely skip this. Once you've validated your product idea, step number 2 is setting up a tiny funnel. Now, don't overthink this. Don't even start thinking this is something complicated and you need to be an expert to do this. A funnel just means the path people take from seeing your product to paying to getting what they bought. And that's it. And here's where most beginners go wrong. They either have no funnel at all, just DMs like how do I buy, or they build some massive complicated setup with email sequences, upsells, and 15 different pages. You don't need that. For your first digital product, your funnel should be just 3 steps. 1. A landing page explains the problem and the simple solution. Here you can use ConvertKit, MailerLite, SamCart, or any software you want. 2. Checkout page, where people can actually pay you. Use StanStore, Whoop, or Gumroad for this. And 3. Delivery page or email, where they instantly get the product. You can use Poria, Kajabi, or Udemy. And that's it. 3 steps. For example, on 4-week dumbbell plan, let's say you validated interest in your 4-week dumbbell only workout plan for $19. People click your link and land on page that says, if you overwhelm the machines at the gym, skip the confusion, follow this simple 4 dumbbell only plan you can do at home or in the gym. They hit buy now, checkout pops up, maybe Gumroad or Stripe, and they pay $19. Boom, they instantly get an email with the PDF. You've done this without chasing people in DMs or any manual delivery. The system works while you sleep. And here's the big insight: the funnel itself doesn't create sales, it catches them. If you validated demand in step number 1, then this funnel ensures you don't lose buyers when they're ready to pay. Without it, people will get distracted or drop off. With it, every view, every click, every buyer has a clear path to purchase. And because it's so simple, you can set it up in a single afternoon. Gumroad, Podia, or ConvertKit. They all make this plug and play. So now you've got two things working together. Step 1 gave you a product idea people actually want, and step 2 gives you a system that makes buying effortless. But there is still one missing piece: traffic. Because even the best funnel doesn't matter if nobody sees it. And that's where step number 3 and last one comes in: distribution, and without spending on ads. This is how you actually get eyeballs on your product and turn your tiny audience into buyers. Because even the best idea and the cleanest funnel won't make you dime if nobody sees it. But the good news: you don't need ads and you don't need to go viral. You just need the right people to see your product and a clear path to buy. On Instagram, the best way to do this is with ManyChat. Instead of just saying link in my bio, you can make a people comment the keyword and ManyChat automatically DMs them the link. You can use here stories, reels, carousels, or single posts. For example, in every of your captions, you can say comment me below and I'll DM you my 7-day fat loss plan. And ManyChat automatically sends them the link to your landing page. On YouTube, it's all about the description and pinned comment. The key is actually say it loud in your video so people don't forget. For example, if you want my full 4-week dumbbell plan, and the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Click the link down below to get access. On Threads or X or Twitter, the move is give value in the first post, then drop your offer in the comments or replies or in the last post. For example, TikTok doesn't allow ManyChat the same way as an Instagram. So here you stick to bio link. Click the link in the description and they drive people to your landing page. And if you're capturing emails with your lead magnet, with your landing page, don't overcomplicate it. Just send 1 to 2 tips per week and at the end of each email drop a simple PS. For example, PS, if you want a full 7-day meal plan, you can grab it here. Click. Notice the pattern. No matter the platform, the formula is the same. Give value up front, add a simple CTA, and drive them into your funnel. And here's why this works. You don't need millions of views. If 500 people watch your video and just 1% buy, that's 5 sales. At $19, that's almost $100 from one post. Do that consistently and it stacks up fast. So don't chase virality and create problem-solving content. Use ManyChat on Instagram, links and pinned comments on YouTube, and Threads, bio links, and TikTok. And even emails if you got them. So, to summarize it up: 1. Find and test the idea. 2. Create a tiny funnel with a landing page and start creating content without spending thousands on ads. And when you put these 3 steps together, that's how I made $5,000 online selling digital product without ads and without a massive audience. And if you want me to help you get started, click the first link in the description and I will personally help you. And don't forget to follow this channel to get more tips like this.